Hey y'all, what is up? How you doing? What you doing? If you don't know by now, my name is Ellen Marie and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, then welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. So in today's video, I'm gonna do like a hairstyle. I've been doing this cute hairstyle. I think it's cute. Hopefully y'all think it's cute. On my natural hair for the past like 2 days. I want to show y'all how I do it. I think it's super cute and super easy to do. So let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all heard the whistle, right? Okay. So I have everything that I'm going to use set out in front of me. This doesn't involve braiding or anything like that, so you ain't gotta worry about all that. So yeah, I have everything in front of me and let's get started. So I just woke up, I just got out the shower, did my skincare, lotion my body, all that type of stuff. And then I have my Eco Slay bonnet on, which I sleep in every night. And my edges, we gonna fix them. Let me take off my bonnet. But yeah, I tied my scarf like a pineapple. Thing, it didn't work. I mean, I usually do it, it usually slides off, so you know. Let me back up a little bit. There we go. So I have my hair in this little satin scrunchie that's like not even scrunching back anymore. Oh my god, look at my hair. Whoa. So this is like, I did my hair when? I think I did my hair last Wednesday and it is now Friday. Y'all hear that? So we're going through a winter storm right now, so yeah. But I think my hair is like day 7 or 8. I can't remember, y'all. Either way, my hair is flaking a little bit. Let me not say a little bit. Anyways, so the first thing I want to do is take out my tendrils, because if I don't know, I like tendrils. I had tendrils already taken out, so this should be easier because I've been doing this for like a week now, so it's gonna be a little easy for me to do because I already have pieces. And if y'all see flurries, I told y'all my hair is flaking badly. So okay, so here are our 2 tendrils. They don't have to be even. I think the more messy look you have, the more messier they are, the better. So the rest of this hair is just gonna go up into a cute little head, I mean not head thing, a cute little like high puff thing situation, but we're gonna make it look cute. So I have this Texture ID Intense Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner, one of my favorite. This is like the only spray leave-in that I like. So we're gonna spray that on the perimeter of our hair. Hey, y'all hear I'm running out. Okay, and then I have some water and aloe vera juice in my spray bottle, and I'm gonna spray that on the perimeter of my hair as well. And this is just gonna rehydrate my hair, and it's gonna help me like mold it into the shape that I want it in. Okay, so now that I have that in, I'm gonna take my Tangle Teezer brush and I'm just going to brush it up in the way that I want it. Now you can put this to the back of your head or to the top of your head. I like to put it to the top because I like it to the top. Okay, and after I do that, I'm going to spray a little bit more water, because next we're going to apply some gel. And the gel just like adheres better when you have not soaking wet hair, but like wet hair. So I have the Eco Styler olive oil gel. I'm going to use this to mold my hair, and I don't think I use a lot, but I use a good bit. But that's why I try to use a leave-in conditioner underneath, because y'all see my hair is already flaking. We don't need any more flaking, you know. But I'm going to apply this generously around the perimeter. I'm going to smooth it up as I go. I think the longest part about this style is just the slicking part. Like you could have it a little messy, or you could make it slick like I'm doing. First day it was messy for me, but that was because I just like came across the style, like just did it one day, and I was like, oh, this is cute. So now I've been doing it for the last 2 days. I want to wash my hair tomorrow, because tomorrow is Christmas Eve. And I want to wash my hair. Okay, so I'm going to pull all this hair up because I just applied the gel. And I'm going to take my Tangle Teezer again. And this is going to like smooth out my hair. Like it won't be, since it's in a wash and go state, it's going to smooth it out. No lumps, bumps. Okay. And as I do that, I'm going to pull from the top just to pull my hair up. This is kind of like stretching it a little bit. Next, I'm gonna go in with a hard bristle brush. I need to clean mine, but y'all know dirty brushes just work better when you slicking your hair. But this, I'm going to slick it up. Ooh. Okay, after I slick it up, again, I'm going to pull from my ends to make sure that I stretch the roots out so it'll be as flat as possible. Where did I put my scrunchies? So I have these scrunchies. These are ouchless ones. Typically I use 2, but I'm going to use 1 with this because it's new and it's tight. So once you feel like you've brushed it enough, then you can go ahead and slick it. I don't really brush the edges because I'm going to fix them. Ooh, okay. Now this is probably the hardest part for me because I am not heavy-handed. So it takes me a minute to get my ponytails the way I want them to. And yesterday when I did this, I had to redo it like 3 times. And usually when you apply 2 scrunchies, it makes it a little tighter. Ooh, okay. Arms don't fail me now. Okay. Whew. My arms is, whew. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pull the hair out because I want to have a lot of hair out, because you could leave it like this, but it just looks all over the place. So I'm not gonna do that, but you can do that. Okay, so I'm gonna take one of these Goody ouchless ones. So this is the fine hair. It's a non-metal elastic, but it's really, really skinny compared to this one. This one is thicker and this one is skinny. So I'm gonna take this one. And you can do this whichever way you want, but I just grabbed the middle of my head. So pull it out, make it look a little crazy. Put your hand over like you're gonna make a donut. And I just pull the scrunchie over it once until I like the outcome of it. And sometimes I take it off and do it again, but I think I like this. And you can wrap some of the hair around. You can do whatever you want to do to it. I'm gonna leave mine like that. Okay, that looks good. That was the easiest one I've done so far. We're gonna work on the tendrils. So these, see how they're like up and we don't want that. So what I'm gonna do, spray with some water, but you don't want them drenched. You just want to make them kind of wet. Okay. Oop. And I'm just going to wring the water down to my ends. And as I'm doing this, I'm just going to curl them, finger coil them. Now this is the part where you add some gel if you want to. I have gel on them from like yesterday, so I'm not going to add too much like I usually would do like on the first day. But you add some gel, finger coil it at the ends. And you can break them apart as much as you want, because technically you can make these into bangs, but I want them to be tendrils, okay? And when they dry, they're going to shrink up. So those are the tendrils, and when they dry, they're going to come to like my eyebrows, which is kind of sad, but it's going to be good for this side because it just makes it look cute. And you can stretch them out. I stretched them out the first day, but I ended up liking how they looked when they're not stretched out. So the last thing we're going to do is my edges, because baby girl, So y'all know with my edges, I use Eco Styler and I use the Kisses Edge Fixer Maximum Hold. I love the grape scent. I think they all work the same, but I love the grape scent. So first I'm going to take the Eco Styler, dab into the Eco Styler, and I'm going to, I already have my edges like carved out because I've done this style before, but if you didn't, you would just pull all your hair out. So you would just comb it out and pull all your hair out that you want to use for your edges. Okay, and I kind of just mold my edges with the Eco Styler, and then I actually like glue them into place with the edge fixer. And you can do your edges however you like. Every day my edges are different, to be honest. I try to make them the same, but it does not usually work out that way. I'm looking over here because I have a mirror, by the way. Okay, and once I have my edges molded to the way I like them, I'm just going to take the edge fixer take some on my finger, and I'm gonna go over all the pieces that I laid. And you want to make it kind of even, and you don't have to use a lot. I use kind of a lot because I want it to stay, but it's not summer, so you don't have to use a lot. So after that, I just go over with my edge brush and just reinforce it to make sure the edge fixture has gotten everywhere so that my hair does not move. And usually I'm done right here now. For a lot of people, they say they have to lay their edges. Recently, I haven't been laying my edges at all. I mean, like laying them with a scarf. You go out the house and they be good. But to make sure they're good, if you're like on a rush, just make sure you take your bristle brush and brush everything up. Just brush everything up so it looks good. And this little piece is sticking out, so I'm gonna wrap it. And there we go. My hair looks cute. This is a cute little Christmas style. This can be a cute little errand style, you know, if you're on your black girl luxury or TikTok girl area, all that. But yeah, y'all, this is the finished result. And it's a super quick style that you can do before before you decide to do your wash day if you want to prolong it. And it's super simple. You can add little pieces to it or a clip in the middle, or you can make these bangs. You can add some tendrils in a bag. I typically love tendrils, but I just didn't do it. But yeah, y'all, this is the curly hairstyle of the day, or I've been wearing it for like almost a week now. So yeah, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Do y'all like curly hairstyles? Do y'all want to see more? Y'all know hairstyles for me are they just so complicated. I like ones like this, like the ones with the braiding and the rubber bands. Oh my god, they be getting me, okay? Because it just takes so long to do, and sometimes rubber bands hurt me, okay? But yeah, y'all, this is a cute, simple, something you can do. You can do this on the kids, you can do this on yourself, everything, okay? But yeah, y'all, let me know if y'all try this style out, if y'all use it. And yeah, y'all, and let me know some curly hairstyles y'all like me to try down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Mwah.